Good afternoon, Mr. Minister. Also want to thank Minister Pia and the team at SMT and staff here at the Ministry of Information, as well as members of the press. We are here today from the Ministry of Education to provide updates on various activities obtaining at the Ministry of Education. The first and foremost is information regarding compliance with graduation fees. We've established guidelines that was disseminated through our academic calendar, and we've held stakeholders consultations, and we have maintained that graduation fees for public or government schools is 5,000 LD, and for private and faith-based schools is no more than 100 USD. Any school found in violation will be subjected to stringent penalties. And these penalties will range from fines, revoking of operational permits, or closure. We're not missing words about that. As we heard from our Justice Minister, we must uphold the rule of law. We must uphold our policies that have been prescribed. The next thing is registration and resumption of school opening for the academic year 2024 and 2025. The registration process is ongoing. It commenced on August 1st through the 31st. Schools are set to begin to resume September 2nd, marking the beginning of a new promising academic year throughout the country. And we are informing the public, informing school operators, September 2nd is when school opens. We're setting up teams that will ensure the enforcement of this September 2nd school opening to be adhered to. Our annual public school registration fees are as follows. Early childhood, $3,500 Liberian dollars. Grades 1 through 6, $1,000 Liberian dollars. Grades 7 through 9, $2,000 Liberian dollars. Grades 10 through 12, $3,000 Liberian dollars. These fees are designed to ensure our education system remains accessible to all while providing the necessary resources for an enabling learning environment. New this year is all registration fees collected at the school level will remain at the school level for operational purposes and uses. No fees will be transferred to the ministry via mobile money from government schools. While we have made this accommodation to ensure that our schools' infrastructure and resources are available at the school level, we will have strict measures to ensure accountability in the use of these funds. Any school found in violation will be dealt with accordingly. The assessment of flexibility fees charged to students during national exam periods is a violation of allowable fees under the Ministry of Education rules and policies. And individuals found in violation will be dealt with accordingly. We also have, as part of the commitment, our commitment, this government's commitment in executing the arrest agenda, which underscores in Pillar 3, the Human Capacity Development Pillar, Section 3.1.2, specifies the plan to increase enrollment in primary school by 20% and reduce the number of out-of-school children by 40%. The ministry is set to launch a nationwide enrollment drive campaign. This campaign is themed Back to My Classroom And we will launch this on Friday, August 9th, 2024 at 12 p.m. at the Ministerial Complex. This initiative will cover 7 counties that we have identified to have low enrollment in the 2023-2024 academic year. Those respective counties involved in the enrollment drive are Bakolu County, Bomi County, Grand Bassa County, River Cess, River G, Grand Chide, and Sino counties respectively. This initiative is not only a singular event, it's slated to be an annual event to help improve enrollment in schools. To this end, a National Enrollment Drive Committee consisting of education stakeholders have been convened to execute this exercise annually. The campaign aims to ensure that every child in Liberia has access to educational opportunity. Operational permits for our schools. While we are overhauling the school permitting process, and that is to commence shortly, the ministry will maintain the current process as it has been. Currently, the annual operational permit fee is to be paid per school and is based on the tuition fee charged per student, which means one student tuition fee is equivalent to an annual fee. So if you have a school that you're charging $1,005 for student tuition, $1,005 will be the permit of fee that you pay. The Department for Instruction, under the leadership of the Deputy Minister of Instruction, is the only department responsible for executing the permitting process. We also convened the National Youth Service first stakeholder engagement on August 1st. And the ministry there is trying to ensure that we implement our National Youth Service program. There have been folks who have contributed to this effort, and we were able to convene a group of stakeholders on August 1st, and the idea is to form a technical working group to formulate the policy and development of the National Youth Service Program. And we want to focus on growth and development of our nation's youth. This is an interministerial collaboration